Today we'll see how SAP certification happens. It is just a sample, so that will give a better idea like how SAP certification happens and how to answer, how the questions asked and everything. So to take a sample paper or a sample certification, what you can do is go to SAP training and click on SAP training shop. Here we will have a SAP certification option here. Click on this. Under this, we have a list of valid certification. Click on that. So once it is opened, scroll down. So you will see the number of certifications of different modules. Like these are Ariba's specific one. This is billing and revenue. This is related to Sales Cloud. So same way, you will see different modules are there. So basically, I will explain about the finance module today. So let's find the finance module. So scroll down. If you want to take a sample test of any other module, you can take it from the list. Okay. So here I can see financial accounting associate certification for the 2021. So the latest one which is showing here is the 2021. So just you need to go and click on view details. It's taking time. Let's wait. So in real scenario also, you have to do the same thing to apply for a examination. So here just giving a information. So you are going to add the financial accounting certification, and you have to score 63 percentage and you will get 180 minutes and 80 questions. So this is a real one if you want to do take, but now I want to go for a sample examination. So for that one, what you have to do is you have to click on view more. So when you click on view more, so this is how the when you go for a real examination, this is how the screen looks like. So here if you see increase your font size, so you can increase the font size if you want, or it can be reduced. Then click on continue. So this is how the exam starts, and this is how the questions pops up, and you have to answer each one. When you see here a radio button, so that means this is only a single correct answer is there. Okay, so for sample purpose, we have received 11 questions. So we'll try to answer all these questions. You want to quickly launch balance sheet for a company code. You are responsible from my SAP Fiori Launchpad. What can you create to achieve this? Okay, this is a, I don't know. Let's see what SAP suggests. And click on the next question. So if you see, SAP also suggests out of these five options which you have, and out of which these are the three correct answers for this one as per SAP. So what is the controlled by the terms of payment? So terms of payments are controlled what? Setting of net procedure, account for cash discount received, allowed account type, yeah, this is correct. Default payment method, yeah, this is correct. Determine baseline method. So first two options are not correct. Even if we try to select this one, it will not allow. So three answers are correct, means you can correct. And let me go to the next question. In an asset main number asset accounting, which information can be different between international gap and the local gap? So here it's saying two correct answers. In an asset main number in asset accounting, which information can be different between international gap and the local gap? Asset class will be different, same. One is net book value and the depreciation start date. So these are the two answers I think are correct. Then we'll go to the next question. Which of the following are standard correspondent types? So here we have a three correct answers. Payment note, open item list, document journal, account statement. Yeah, these are the three correct answers. Next question. Which of the following standard currency types can be used to customize the activity? Define setting for ledger and currency type. Which of the following standard currencies types can you set in customization activity? Define setting for ledger and currency types. So you can set group currency and the local currency. Transactional currency cannot be done and material. If you try to select the third one, it will not allow. Okay. What account type can you use to classify the general ledger account in SAP S/4HANA? What account types can you use to classify? So here, time remaining, you can check here. 9 minutes are there. So what account types can you use to classify general ledger account in S/4HANA? What account types? So non-operating income or expenses, balance sheet, and secondary cost. These two are not applicable. This is something related to different fields. So these are the three options which we have. Which entries do you define when maintaining a GL account? There are three correct answers. So when we maintain the GL account, we select field status group, we select account group, account. Ledger assignment and profit center are not done in FS00. You want to make a reference document number field required for entry. Which object control the settings? You want to make a reference document number field required for entries. Which object control setting? The reference document number field required. So it can be at the document. You want to make a reference document number field required. So it can be done in the document type. Okay. For example, let's say I can go to previous questions. Okay, like this and make a modification. And here, let's say in this question, and we are not sure about this one. Just an example. I am not sure about this one. So what I can do is I can mark this as flag this question. And when I click on assign assessment navigation, so it will show like this. So for example, let's say for the eighth question, I have marked as assessment navigation as flag. So I'm not sure about this one. Just an example. So what is the right answer? I want to see this next time. So let's go to the next question. Now for ninth question, I will not I will not apply anything. I will not apply and I will directly go to the next question. So if you see here, as I have not attempted ninth question, it is showing as a gray out. Okay, so this is how the navigation works and it will help you. So let's say ninth question will come back again. During which action does the system assign the document number for financial accounting? So at the time of post and park. Next question. The Dunning run is made up of three main steps that happens in the particular sequence. The Dunning run is made up of three main steps that happens in the particular sequence. Yeah, it should be account selection first, turning line item, done account. Item selection, turning line item, done accounts. Okay, this one. Now, there are few things which we want to cross check again. What you can do is click on assessment navigation. As we left ninth one, we'll go to ninth. How does SAP S/4HANA architecture improve SAP S/4HANA system performance? SAP HANA organize data in the item table and can get aggregate data from this item table at runtime. Yeah, this is the right answer, I think. S/4HANA, yeah, and the time left for the assessment will be reached in 5 minutes. Okay. SAP HANA allow you to build aggregate table top of aggregation in addition to specific version and supports. Okay, this is not good. SAP HANA use structure hierarchy and data model with multiple of lean pre-built aggregation table, right? If you know, make extensive use of data index providing organization data line item table and can aggregate data from this line item table at a runtime. Yeah, this is the right answer, I think. Okay, so if I click on 8, if you see that 9 is already. Okay, so this one, for example, let's say ninth we have a flag, right? So we are not sure. We can cross check, and I think document type is the right answer. Okay, I will remove the flag, and if I want to cross check once again all the questions, just click on one and quickly cross check all the questions. And once you are done with your questions and everything, you just need to submit it. So we got around 10 out of 11. Somewhere we made a mistake. That's fine. So this is how your score you will get. But in real scenario, you will get like, for example, for assets, how much you got, for GL side, how much you got, that percentage also you will get it. So this is how you can give a SAP certification in real time. This is just a sample, but in real time also, this is the same process you have to follow.